This webcast is about using current population survey data at the NBER. The National Bureau of Economic Research, NBER for short, has lots and lots of CPS supplements, which are very useful. So let's go take a look at those. They have all sorts of information, ranging from pensions, occupational mobility, to computer and internet use, which is our concern. This goes well beyond the 3 months listed here, and I'm going to go to the October 2010 data set. What I did was I downloaded the documentation and I downloaded the data. I used programs which are available at another website, easily found, and I used a do file and a dict file. The dict file adds the labels. The do file actually shows how to get the data. I made some slight modifications to these programs which I downloaded, and I produced the data set. Let's take a look at that data set. It's sitting out here. I tried to open it. It's in Corey Hoffman's folder here in Econ 253, but I didn't have enough memory, so let me change the memory to 500 megabytes, and I'll try to do this again. Open up. You'll see it's a fairly large data set, has lots and lots of variables. The purpose of the code book is to figure out what the definitions of the variables are, and in particular which codes stand for which things. It's taking a little while for this to show up, so let's go take a look at the code book. Code book sitting, sorry, I've already got it, I downloaded it, and it's sitting here. In particular, let's look for computer and see where that's to be found. Well, what we should do is use the full search. There can be lots and lots of uses of the word computer here. And so, for example, we can see there are lots of questions here. Okay, well, some of it's about the interviewing here, and these sorts of things are actual questions that were asked of people. So, for example, HE Comp 1.1 at home. Do you or any member of your household own or use a laptop, notebook, or netbook computer? So that's a variable that we're going to look for. HE Comp 11. Let's check in on data. Okay, so we got the data here, and let's see if those HE Comp thing exists. So the asterisk says anything which starts with HE Comp exists. Okay, so HE Comp 11. Let me tab that one. See what we got here. So not in universe, yes, no. At home, notice the question isn't stated here. That's what we need the codebook for. We need to find the particular variables that we're really interested in. So 108,000 people say yes, 20,000 people say no, 17,000 we need to recode that as missing. So let's just demonstrate creating a dummy variable. So I'll just do this. Generate comp at home equals missing. Okay. And then let's replace that variable. If we don't like typing, we can go look. It's at the very bottom here. Replace comp at home equals 1 if HE comp 11. Okay, I think this is going to be number 1. Equals 1. I really should check by doing this. Tab HE comp 11. No label. All right, so yeah. 1 means yes, and 2 means no. So, I got to get the no thing in there. So replace comp at home equals 0. Sorry, you don't have a computer at home if this equals 2. So that's an example of the kind of work that you're going to have to do to recode and create dummy variables for things like that. Now there are lots and lots of variables, and you only need to use some of them. And you're going to have to get around this code book. Let's go back to the code book. Okay, so suppose we want to know age. Well, that's going to not be much fun. Let's just do this full search. All right, age. Search. Oh, PRT age. Okay. Oh, and there's PEE education. Let's see. So PE age. Maybe we should search for PE age. PE, remember, is P stands for person, and let's see, PE age. Let's see here, PE age. P stands for person, and H stands for household. Let's go back to Stata and see whether that variable actually is here. So let's do sum PE age star. Okay, it's out there, and we've got -1 through 85. So we could just use that variable, or we could generate a new variable. Let's do sum P age if P age is okay. How about this? Tab P age if PE age is less than 5. Let's see how many people. Oh yeah, okay. These are just missing people. We don't have information on them, and we might want to. Well, we should probably just drop those people, or at least replace. We can do this. Replace P age equals dot if P age is less than 0. Okay. Remember, dot is missing. All right. So. Looks pretty good. Let's see how things are going here. I'm going to want to pause this in a moment. Yeah. Okay, so this has been a webcast showing us how to use data which we've downloaded from the NBER, and the key thing is using this codebook. Using this codebook to find the variables that you want and to recode them the way you need to do it.